everyone, welcome back to HACKIDEATRIck. मैं हूँ सुजीता. First of all, happy Friendship Day to all of you. Once again, I'm back with Amazon haul and link of all the products will be provided in the description. As usual, none of the products are sponsored and everything is purchased by us and is being used by us. झलक तो आपने देख ली है. Let's get started with the detailed review. These magnetic spice jars are from brand PARATPAR. This 9-piece stainless steel magnetic spice storage jar comes with rack holder like this. वैसे हमें ये जार अपने फ्रिज के लिए चाहिए थे, so we are not using this rack holder. Maybe in future we'll make something out of it. These are made of stainless steel and the lid has glass on it. This can also be used as a shaker, and at the back there is a magnet. We noticed that there are some scratches in the glass of these jars, but altogether it's fine. The magnet is strong and these jars can contain only a small amount of spices. Altogether nice and compact deal, I will say. This foil holder is from brand LEVON. It was supposed to get installed facing front, but we went ahead with getting it installed downward instead. Because of its ease of use and look, we did not wanted anything on our tile. And it's easy to use it like this. The stick can be removed easily like this for refill. And the cutter does its work fine. A really good product. Basically refill के लिए आपको removable stick को निकालना है और उसमें foil को डाल देना है. This garlic press is from Ikea. This is stainless steel and the build is really strong. It's easy to clean and easy to use. If you are a person who do not want garlic smell in your hand or hate peeling garlic, go for this one blindly. I must say I was little hesitant before purchasing it, but after using it, I can see only garlic peel left. The mechanism is awesome. Highly recommended product. You just need to add 3 or 4 cloves of garlic and you just have to press it and you will be getting a fine paste of garlic. The only item which will be left inside is going to be its peel. And it's really easy to clean this item after your work is done. The inner container, the small one, comes out and you can properly wash it to clean it. Now this item is from brand Zolis. This one is cake smoother, dough scraper or dough cutter. Now this item has multiple use. Made up of stainless steel, comes with scale. Use it for measuring cut, smoothing cake. Done with pizza dough making, scrap the slab with this scraper. Done with chopping, use this scraper. I mean, it's multi-purpose, and if you love cooking, you should have one of this. Since we have started using this scraper while making any pizza dough or anything in our slab, it has made our life really easy. You can see how efficiently it cleans. While transferring your chopped food, you can use this extra hand. This wall-mounted broom mop holder is from LUVINA store. It does not require drilling, so this item was needed by me for a long time. I wanted something which is compact and does not require drilling. The adhesive is good and has been holding good weight from quite a long time. I did not want it to go for the bigger holder जो बहुत चलते हैं या फिर अभी भी चल रहे होंगे, क्योंकि उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी हमें. So for now these two are sufficient enough, and as of now these are holding these two things properly. ये जो ब्रूम स्टिक है वो बहुत ही हैवी हो जाता है जब ये वेट रहता है, सो आई कैन से दैट इट इज़ होल्डिंग थिंग्स रियली नाइसली सिंस लॉन्ग टाइम. This caddy organizer is from brand Colito. This product is sturdy and solves the purpose of sink organizer for me. I am using it for my wet kitchen to hold sponge, dishes, soap, etc. It's easy to install and the 2 screws holds it properly in place. Only one complaint. The brand showed in the picture that it could be used individually, which is not true. There is no additional screw or attachment being provided with this product. It can only be used in this way. Still a useful product altogether. It holds all my wet items of wet kitchen and helps it dry a little bit earlier, I can say. This multi-purpose storage shelf is from brand Zurato. I am using it just like storage container, although it comes with magic sticker like this and can be hanged if needed. अभी तो stick नहीं करा है, but maybe in future. For now, ऐसे भी सही है. This item is very small but very useful. These are called self-adhesive silicone bumper. आपने नोटिस करा कि मैंने ये डोर खोला और ये बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बम्पर इसने वॉल को जाके हिट नहीं करा. दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम ब्रांड IXPORT. इट कम्स लाइक दिस एंड इसके डिफरेंट साइजेस भी होते हैं. आप बड़े छोटे कैसे भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. इट हैज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग एडेसिव and apart from protection, it can help in sound damping and cushioning. We have used it all across our house by using it on our wall or furniture to protect it. So basically आप इसको किसी भी तरीके से यूज़ कर सकते हो जिस तरह की आपकी नीड हो. आपके दरवाजे को बंद करते समय ज़्यादा आवाज़ आती हो, आप इसे यूज़ कर सकते हो. आपको कहीं अपने वॉल को प्रोटेक्ट करना है किसी भी चीज़ से, उसमें आप इसे स्टिक कर सकते हो एंड दिस इज़ गोइंग टू वर्क फाइन ऑन दैट एरिया. बीइंग ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड स्मॉल, ये ज़्यादा ऑड नहीं लगता है. आप देख सकते हो कि हमने बहुत सारे हैंडल्स में भी इसे स्टिक कर रखा है और इसे आप वापस रिमूव भी कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ अप टू यू हाउ एंड वेयर यू वांट टू यूज़ इट. These 2 trays are from SHIOK DECOR. Nothing fancy about these, but we wanted something made of iron, matte black, for our bedside corner. These trays are anti-skid and can be used anywhere in your home, be it your bathroom, kitchen or your room itself. We wanted it for our bedside and this was a perfect size, and the things which we wanted to keep was just our regular things which we will be needing, and we did not want it to keep it inside. So this is in short easy to use, easy to clean and does not take much of your space and looks nice also. If any of you would want, may give it a try for any place of your home. This cable organizer are from VOLO store. This can be used anywhere for your TV, home, cubicle, car, desk, anywhere. We wanted it for the corner of our beds because वहाँ पे जब भी हम उसके drawers को खोलते थे तो वहाँ पे हमारे मोबाइल वायर फंसते थे. So we wanted a permanent solution. So these are some of the self-adhesive which we have installed next to our bed so that the wire which you see is actually getting stuck into the drawer. It does not happen regularly. So इसी के लिए हमने अपने दोनों बेड के कॉर्नर्स में इसे इंस्टॉल किया है. It can also be used in your study rooms and all. वहाँ पे भी अगर आप मल्टीपल वायर यूज़ करते हो तो these are perfect solutions for that. It is tough enough to secure your cables in place and soft enough to remove your cables easily. So you can use it as per your need. Next product is this digital alarm clock from brand AIKON. It comes with LED mirror display, FM radio, Bluetooth speaker and good to carry anywhere. You can keep it in your study or in your bedroom or anywhere you want as per the need. This clock has 3.5 aux cable input and 16 GB micro SD card slot. The built-in mobile phone holder can be easily pulled out to use, freeing your hand, and you can watch whatever you want without holding your phone for long. This clock has multiple use, but we are only using it to see temperature and time, that's all. You can see several buttons which has been given above, and there will be a manual which will be given to you when you are getting this product. Although we saw in the review few people's complaining that the temperature was not accurate, for us it's working fine so far. We charge it almost after 2 days for 10 or 15 minutes and it works fine for another 2 days, I guess. With not many features which we have used or still we are pending to use, I would say for clock and temperature it's working fine. For others we still have to see. Other thing apart from this we really liked is that the display can be adjusted as per the need. The speakers are given at the back, as you can see. Altogether, a good product we can say. Lastly, there are two products. One is from brand Tide Ribbons and another one is from 4 Walls. Now this one is from Tide Ribbons and it comes like this individual flower and it actually looks very natural. Second one is from 4 Walls and these flowers are not that natural, but frankly speaking, if I'm comparing both the flowers, this one is still better. Why I'm saying so is because even though the first one is giving us the touch and feel and everything, but the second one looks to me more lively and it can be maintained and cleaned properly. The other one looks like जैसे natural फूल होते हैं ना, कुछ समय बाद मुरझा गए, कुछ वैसा हाल शायद उसका हो सकता है. But as of now I am using both of them and both of them look really beautiful and a good addition of tulip flower at our home. I always wanted these kind of flowers at our home and I must say they are adding the charm which I wanted. Also, the flowers of Tide Ribbons leaves were not that good. कुछ तो निकल भी गए थे. I have to stick it once again so that ये सारे एक जगह पे एक साथ रहें. And apart from that, as of now, I think it is looking pretty. I still have to figure out which ways I should get for these flowers. पर अभी के लिए इन bottles में भी ये सुंदर हैं. I can definitely recommend if you are willing to go for artificial flower, try out the 4 Walls artificial tulip flower and try to spray some good fragrance on that and it will work as wonder. तो ये थे आज के प्रोडक्ट्स. आई होप आपको डेफिनेटली कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स पसंद आए होंगे. अगर पसंद आए होंगे तो डू गिव इट अ ट्राई. अगर आप इस चैनल में नए हो तो डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब करें. सब्सक्राइब करना तो आपकी श्रद्धा है. बट इफ़ इट इज़ सेकेंड टाइम यू आर रिव्यूइंग माई वीडियो और हैक आइडिया ट्रिक की वीडियो, तो यूनिवर्स इज़ गिविंग यू सर्टन सिग्नल्स. उन सिग्नल्स को पहचानें और सब्सक्राइब करें. With that, I have to end this video. I'll be back with something new. Hit. तब तक के लिए बाय.